the air supply from the air compressor. We should connect it here to give it power. Switch. There's a switch here to push, so you can see the air pressure is become up. This is to turn on or turn off to give it the air supply. No air. That's my. Then about the power cable to connect here. Then this side to connect to the electricity. Then the switch to turn on, also on the back. After you turn on, the control panel will be light on. After open all the case and installed, we should do damage inspection before using. We should look around the machine and check if there was any damages. If there was any damage or broken, please call us. Thank you. Now we are going to test. Before testing, depend on your bottle difference, the height difference, diameter difference, we should adjust. For example, the bottle height is here. Now it's we have adjusted for this bottle. The height is correct. And if your bottle is a little short, you can see it cannot touch. So what we need to do is like this, to loose the two screws at the left side and right side. Then rotate the top side screw, this screw, to adjust the heightness. As you can see, this will move up and down. Now let's move it down. Okay, after, then lock it. Then we need to also adjust this screw. Firstly, we turn off the air. So now no air supply. And we can push back in like this enough. And we'll get in the middle and push together. Leave a little space because it should hold it tighter. If you leave no space, it will not hold very tight. And this finish, and we can test. Give it air. After that, then adjust to this one, and then hold. So this finished. So each time you just can put easily, and let's test. Also needed to adjust this height to adjust this two screw. Not high, low enough. We'll rotate this. And we'll turn off the air too. See the like this, just hold. Then lock it. Then it's tight enough. This is a different bottle adjustment process. Now we are going to introduce this control panel. First one is for the capping time. You can set like this. Press set and choose which number you want to change, like this, to add. This is for the capping time. This is a waiting time. Waiting time is for auto model. For this auto model, we can also set like this. Wait. This is for the counter, how many bottles you have already capped. Reset is to returned back to 0. And you can set, for example, 1000. That means if you set 1000, it will become it will going to so arrive when the quantity arrives at that quantity, it will stop. And for these 3 buttons, this is to press, and it will move like this. You press, it will move. If you hold it, it will always move until you release it. This is a menu, like the same function of the foot pedal switch. You can press, it will do 1 time, same as this button. Do 1 time. Auto, it will do itself 1 time. After 2 seconds later, it will do it again. If you wanted to stop the auto mode, just press auto again, it will stop. So this function is only for auto model. Each capping time, it will wait 2 seconds. You can set, for example, 4 seconds. Let's see the difference. And it will wait 4 seconds. And it's working again. So this one, you can set as you wish, depend on your hand speed for change bottle.